Hello guys, how are you today? Welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic Skincare. If today is your first time coming here today, I say a very big welcome to you. Welcome. Okay, in a quick one, I just want to introduce to you this whitening glowing lotion. Some people, they fond of using a lotion whereby they don't really want how will I put it, they don't really want their skin to be much white, but they just want to see like this caramel tone or maybe 3 shades to dark caramel tone. So I can easily tell you that you can use this lotion. This lotion, you see, is very good. It will lighten you a bit, then after which it will leave you on that 2 shade after caramel, that you will know that yes, you see your skin is being moisturized. And I beg of you, I will always advise you to please exfoliate. Do exfoliate. Sometimes use scrub to exfoliate once in a month. Then when you use lotion like this, you will see your skin pop up. You see, I got this color of mine within 1 week to 2 weeks, and I reduced the lotion I gave him. But if I want to get more than this now, I will use it. No side effect, no knuckles, no white patches, no skin irritation. That is what they call a lotion that you can count on. Are you getting it? You moisturize your skin from inside, from the first layer to the second layer. That is how it works. The dead cell, it will all fold off, it will all clean off, fade off. You will not see it again. So this is the right lotion we will use to, if you want to get that after caramel, which is like 2 shades after caramel. This lotion will your color will be just bright. But if you want the color to be white, you can continue using it, and trust me, it's just so cheap that you can afford it. It's very cheap, you can afford it. You can buy any of the ml, 250 ml, or you want to buy 500 ml or 1 liter. It's very affordable. So place your order wherever you are. We can always ship to you, whether you're in UK, Europe, Canada, Asia country, US, just name it. Wherever you are, we ship both raw materials, so we ship organic materials, so skincare products we ship. So this is the lotion that will give you that tone you need. Okay, and if you want us to make a caramel tone lotion for you, we'll make it for you. Why not? And if you're having some skin irritation that you really want to let us treat for you, why not? So long you pay us. So people having white patches, so having those brown patches, so having this black hair dot, or you're having skin tag, or whatever you're having, any skin irritation you're having, come to us, we will treat it. Or you want us to train you, we offer training, one-on-one training via WhatsApp. We train. Alright? So what is it that you need that we can give to you? We all have them here. That's why they always say, we die here or stick global. That's why we die here. All my fans keep telling me that. So alright, just place your order as you wish. We are expecting you all. So use the right cream for your skin so that all those cells, dead cell, can pull off. Bye bye.